Do the cheapest JBL headphones have good mic quality? This is the C50HI. They cost about $9. Found them up the road at Big W. Let's unbox them and try them out. Seems pretty long with the cable, and there's the mic. It looks pretty nice actually. Let's do some tests and see if it's any good. 1, 2, 3. Mic test. She sells seashells at the seashore. This is my $5 headphone range. Let's see if this has decent quality in comparison to the JBL headphones. 1, 2, 3, test. She sells seashells at the seashore. Now this is a more expensive lav mic from Rode. So this is a test on a more premium product. 1, 2, 3, test. She sells seashells at the seashore. Let me know your thoughts below.